In this video, we are going to see MySQL alter statement. MySQL alter statement is used to modify the structure of a table. With this alter table syntax, we can perform following actions. We can add a column to the table. We can drop a column from the table. We can change the data type of a column. We can rename a column. We can rename table. We can also create indexes and destroy indexes. Syntax. Syntax is, see, this is the syntax to alter table in MySQL server. Alter table, table name, then alter specifications. Here specifications means add column, drop column, rename table, etc. To execute alter table command in MySQL, required privileges are alter table privilege. I have connected to MySQL server. Let's verify the structure of a table. Command is describe and provide the table name. Here my table name is EMP. These columns and these are the data types. These are the whether it has to allow null values or not, and these are the constraints and these are the defaults. So in the examples, first I am going to add a column to EMP table. Command is alter table and here table name is EMP. Then enter add column. Here I am adding column name DEPT name and data type is varchar, length is 50. Then put the semicolon and type and press enter. So here query is okay, 0 rows affected, and this is the execution time. Now verify structure of the table after adding the column name. Notice here, before this table doesn't contain this DEPT column name and this data type. Now I am going to drop the column name. Alter table EMP drop column. Here column name is DEPT name. So query is okay and execution time is 0.02 seconds. Now verify whether it's dropped successfully or not by running the command describe then table name. Then put semicolon at the end of the statement. Notice here before it was there, now it has been gone. Now we are going to rename salary column to sal. Command is alter table EMP change column name is salary and new column name is sal, data type is int, put semicolon. So query is okay and executed in 0.01 seconds. What we have done, we have altered EMP table and changed the column name from salary to sal and data type remaining same. Let's verify whether we have changed it or not. See, before column name was salary, now we have modified it to sal. Now modify the column length. Now EMP name data type length is 30. Now we are going to modify this 30 to 50. Syntax is alter table EMP modify column name is EMP name. Here we are modifying data type length and not null, put semicolon. In this command, what we have done, we have modified data type length and we have given, before it was allowing null values, but here we have given not null, which means it won't allow null values and increase data length to 30 to 50. Let's verify whether we have changed the length and null value types. Describe emp. Notice here, before length of this column is 30, but we have after modified it is 50. Also before it was allowing null values. Now we are going to rename table emp to employee by using alter table command. Command is alter table. Here table name is emp, then rename to new name, that is employee. So query is okay. Now try to get the structure of our old table, that is emp. Describe emp. So we don't have any tables in R2 schools database. Also get the list of the tables by running the command show tables. See, now table name only employee is there, because before it was emp. Now we have renamed it to employee table. Now we can get the structure of the table by running the command describe employee. See, structure remains same. We have changed the name of the table. So in this video we have covered syntax of MySQL alter table. Then we have performed alter table examples. For more MySQL videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.